Welcome to PlexyTrade. I'm Liam. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of registering as an individual trader with PlexyTrade.com. If you're ready to take the first step towards your trading journey, let's get started. When you land on the home page, look for the big blue box which says Get Started. Click on it to proceed. You will be presented with two options here: Demo or Live. If you would like to test the features, you can choose the Demo option. However, for this video, we will proceed with the Live option. Please click on Live to continue. Once you've reached page 1, you'll need to choose whether you're registering as an individual or a company. In this video, we'll select Individual. After selecting Individual, you'll be prompted to fill out your personal information. Remember, your password must be strong, containing at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one symbol, and one number. Additionally, the password length must be between 6 to 15 characters. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click on the Continue button to proceed. On page 2, you'll need to provide additional personal details and address details to ensure the accuracy of your account information. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click on the Continue button to proceed. On Final page, you'll set up your trading account details to get started with PlexyTrade. Choose your preferred wallet currency. Choose the platform you'd like to use for trading. Select your desired account currency. It's time to choose your trading account type. Make sure to check the link provided in the description to understand the different account types and choose the one that best suits your trading strategy. After that, choose the leverage that best aligns with your trading strategy. 120% cash bonus is optional. By clicking here, you will be directed to the Bonus Terms and Conditions PDF file. After reading and understanding it, if you are interested, simply tick the box on the left and agree. Similarly, by clicking here, you will be directed to our privacy policy. If you have read and accepted it, please tick the box on the left. In the same manner, by clicking here, you will be directed to our terms and conditions. If you have read and accepted them, please tick the box on the left. Lastly, if you'd like to receive company news, product updates, and promotions, tick the box on the left. Once you've completed all the necessary selections, click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. We're almost done. We've sent a 6-digit code to your email address. Please check your email and enter the code in the Plexy portal to verify your account. Once you've entered the code, click on the Confirm Email button to proceed. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your registration on PlexyTrade.